So this is the R82 Orca. It's an adjustable height bath. We all know that bathing can cause all sorts of problems for your back as a carer or parent. So I really like this option because it has a height adjustable frame and you can set it to a good working height for when you're standing or even in a seated position. So it has a maximum user weight of about 50 kgs, and you can get different options to sit in the bath as well. So in here we've got the penguin, and this provides head and trunk support with a little pommel here that can easily be adjusted to get a really nice position in the bath. It leaves your arms and legs free for movement. The good thing is that this can use a few different options. You can put the nono in here as the child gets bigger, and if they might require a little bit more postural support, you can also use the flamingo in here with the little sucker feet as well. So it's a really good versatile option, especially if you don't have a bathtub in the house. It can be a great solution for those children.